Welcome to Unlocking Your Absolute Strength, the definitive guide to calculating, understanding, and utilizing your 1-rep max, or 1RM. This video is based on 7 scientific formulas and sports science protocols. We'll cover 4 key areas: the foundation, defining the 1RM, the math, decoding the scientific formulas, the zones, mapping 1RM percentages to adaptations, and the protocols, covering safe testing and structured warm-up sets. The 1-rep max is the absolute maximum weight you can lift for a single repetition with proper form. It's the gold standard for determining intensity prescription, tracking progress, selecting exercises, setting goals, and preparing for competitions. Instead of testing a true 1RM, which carries injury risk, we predict the maximum through a submaximal lift. By lifting a challenging weight for 3 to 10 repetitions, sports science formulas accurately predict your absolute ceiling without the physical toll. There are 7 primary formulas used in sports science for 1RM estimation. These include Brzycki, Epley, Lander, and Lombardi, along with Mayhew, O'Connor, and Wathen. Each has its own approach to calculation. The best formula depends on the type of lift and the number of repetitions. For example, the Brzycki formula is best for heavy compound lifts with 1 to 6 reps. Wathen works well for high representative fatigue curves and Olympic lifts. Once your 1RM is calculated, it acts as the master dial for your entire program. The percentages dictate your training goal, whether it's endurance at 50 to 70%, muscle hypertrophy at 70 to 80%, explosive power at 80 to 85%, or pure strength at 85 to 100%. The strength and power zones range from 80% to 100% of 1RM. Maximum strength at 90 to 100% focuses on neural adaptations. The strength zone at 85 to 90% builds pure strength with more volume, and the power zone at 80 to 85% targets explosive power. The muscle and endurance zones range from 50% to 80% of 1RM. The hypertrophy zone at 70 to 80% maximizes muscle size. Muscular endurance at 60 to 70% improves work capacity, and the endurance zone at 50 to 60% is great for warm-ups and rehabilitation. Executing a submaximal test involves 5 steps. Perform a challenging lift for 3 to 10 reps. Record the weight and reps. Enter the data into a calculator. Analyze the results from the 7 formulas, and then apply these calculated weights to your training program. A true 1RM warm-up protocol systematically prepares the body. It progresses from 40% 1RM for blood flow up to 90% 1RM as a confidence builder, with specific representative ranges and resting rules between sets. Estimation accuracy is dictated by several variables. Form dictates function, meaning only perfect reps count. Specificity matters, with barbell compound lifts yielding more reliable predictions. The fatigue factor means tests must be done well rested, and training status affects variation in estimates. Comparing risk versus reward shows that true 1RM testing has high injury risk and requires long recovery. Submaximal estimation is safer and allows for frequent progress tracking without risking injury or excessive recovery time. Integrate the numbers into your training cycle by performing a submaximal test in week 1 to establish baseline 1RM estimates. Weeks 2 to 7 are for execution, training within your percentage zones. In week 8, retest using a submaximal set to update your 1RM and recalculate zones. You can automate your strength programming by instantly calculating your 1RM, training zones, and warm-up sets across all 7 formulas. Access the free automated calculator now.